Good morning. Welcome to our Friday wrap-up going into Labor Day weekend. Good morning, Sharon.
Good morning.
Good morning, Carol.
Good morning, folks. We're glad to be here with you all today.
We are. We're coming to you from the Atlantic Beach Town Park.
Love it.
What's happening in real estate this week?
Okay, so we're going to talk about the numbers versus this week versus last week. So this week in new listings, we had 78. Last week, 73. Pendings this week was 83. Pendings last week was 109. And then closed for this week was 96, and last week was 66.
Wow, so a great week.
Yeah,
Closing.
absolutely. Hot,
Yes.
hot in the market and hot down here for sure.
That is right.
And hot inland, so y'all need to come this way.
It's going to be beautiful this weekend. I think we've got a cool front coming tonight. I think the high tomorrow is in the mid-80s. That's awesome.
Yeah.
We do, and we kind of wanted to give you a little idea of what's going on in Atlantic Beach and Pine Knoll Shores and
Yeah.
Salter Path since we're here.
Right. The number of active listings in Atlantic Beach are 81. The number sold, 255 total this year. So that leaves us like a 3.81 supply in Atlantic Beach. And Pine Knoll Shores is similar, although Pine Knoll Shores is smaller, so they only have 41 listings, but their absorption rate's the same, about 3.5. So that too, for the market, that's kind of we're on the edge of the seller's market.
But still,
you know, it's a better opportunity for buyers than it was a couple of months ago because it's gone up a little bit.
so a lot's changed in 3-4 months.
Yeah, in 3 months, everything that's listed now should be sold.
Should be sold in all the market.
And that's a good number for both sellers and buyers
It's a
to
true
be
number.
aware of. Yes,
It really is. Can you tell us what an average sales price is in Atlantic Beach?
I can.
Versus Pine Knoll Shores?
Yes, the average sale price in Atlantic Beach is single family and condo properties is $333, and then in the Pine Knoll Shores area, the average sale price is $459.
Great.
So we have in Atlantic Beach, we have a lot more condos that are in the 150 to 250 range.
Which
than we
are
have that, than we have in
combined
Pine
with
Knoll
the
Shores.
single family.
Yeah, right, for sure. So there's a difference there. There's a place for everybody down here.
There is, and speaking of place for everybody, we hope you're coming to Atlantic Beach
Absolutely.
this
Tell
weekend.
us why.
There's a lot of things going on, folks. You can still enjoy all the beach accesses, all the boating accesses.
Fort Bacon.
Fort Bacon is open daily right now from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. The gate to the beach at Fort Bacon closes at 7 p.m. The Atlantic Beach Splash Pad is opening 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Wow, that's where we are right now.
Exciting news, the playground is opening up here at Atlantic Beach Town Park today at
Yes.
5 p.m.
Yay.
I got a place for that 3-year-old.
That's right. Putt Putt is open Friday through Sundays from 1 to 9 p.m., including the concession stand. And it will be open on Labor Day
Right.
from 1 to 9. They just ask that everybody follows their social distance guidelines and just be smart when you come down. But come to the beach, enjoy Labor Day weekend.
It's going to be beautiful.
That's right. And going into Labor Day weekend, we are on our
It's our fourth week
Fourth
for
week.
Nominate Your Favorite Teacher.
Yeah.
of nominating your favorite teacher. And this week's lucky winner is Casey Worrell at Morehead City Elementary School, nominated by Catherine Reed.
Yay! Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you and have a wonderful Labor Day.
Everybody have a great weekend.
See you
Happy
guys.
Labor Day.